Hey friends, welcome back to the Crypto Skill. Today, we're talking about something super important: how to avoid getting scammed in crypto. If you're new to crypto, this video could save you a lot of money and stress, so stick around. Crypto scams are tricks used by bad people to steal your money. They might pretend to help you, give fake promises, or even act like your friend. But their goal is always the same: take your crypto and disappear. Here are 5 common crypto scams you need to watch out for. Number 1. Fake giveaways. They say, send 1 Bitcoin and we'll send you back 2. Don't do it. It's a lie. Real giveaways don't ask you to send money first. Number 2. Fake websites or wallets. Scammers copy real websites to trick you into logging in. Always check the web address carefully. Use bookmarks and never click random links. Number 3. Phishing messages. You might get a message or email that says there's a problem with your wallet. They'll ask for your password or seed phrase. Never share that with anyone, not even customer support. Number 4. Rug pulls. This is when a new coin or project looks exciting. People invest and then the creators run away with the money. Always research the project and team before investing. Number 5. Impersonators. Scammers pretend to be famous crypto influencers. They message you directly or comment under videos. No real influencer will DM you for money or offers. Now, here's how to stay safe in crypto. Never share your private key or seed phrase. Use a trusted wallet and exchange. Turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA. If something feels off, pause. Double-check everything. Don't rush. Scammers love when you panic or get excited. That's it. If you're careful, you can enjoy crypto safely. I hope this helped you out. If you learned something new, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more simple crypto insights. Got questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.